I'm Brandon here with Swatera Public Safety Products. This is our brand new remote controlled Searchlight. The one that we're going to show you here is the flood version. We also have a spot version. This Searchlight is fully remote control, up and down and rotational direction of the light head. This Searchlight comes with two remotes. You can see here on the remotes we have a bracket that can be mounted inside the vehicle. Comes with screws for the cradle to hold the remote. Has two remotes. If you lose one, you still have the other. This remote is fully waterproof. It has up and down features and across. Power on. Let's turn it on. Okay, we'll power it on. And you can see here it zooms down. This Searchlight is excellent for the top of, for on utility trucks, fire trucks, service bodies, and other occupations where a remote controlled light is a very valuable option. Has the ability to direct the light where you want it. This light outputs about 8,000 lumens in a full flood beam. We also have a strobe feature here. We'll turn that on for you. This is like an SOS signal. Two different modes for the SOS signal, either a slow one or a fast one. We plan to do a video of the spot one, maybe outside the building here, so you can see how far it actually shines. This does very well with a wide flood, giving a very wide scene light to light up your scene, whether it's an emergency scene, construction scene, utility work, road work, you name it. This light is prepared for that. Fully waterproof, with a remote to easily direct the light where you want it. If you have interest in this light, you can check it out on our website, swatera.square.site. Tell us what you think in the comments below. Also, if you have interest in getting this light installed, we offer installation services here at Swatera. Call us at our number or leave us a comment on the website and we'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.